Imagine carrying heavy crops through narrow, muddy village roads with a traditional bullock cart that can barely turn around. Most people accepted this as normal. But one farmer inventor from rural India asked a simple question: what if the cart itself could work in reverse? This is the story of Karpana Gounder and his incredible push-pull bullock cart innovation. Karpana Gounder was not a big engineer from a famous company. He was a grassroots innovator who understood village life from experience. Farmers constantly struggled while transporting soil, crops, manure, and farming materials. Traditional wooden carts were heavy, difficult to turn, and unloading them took a lot of effort. So instead of complaining, he started building. And what he created was surprisingly smart. His cart was built using iron pipes instead of only wood, making it stronger and more durable. But the real magic was in its reversible design. Normally, a bullock cart moves only one way. If you need to change direction, the entire cart has to be turned around. But Karpana Gounder designed a system where the bullock could be detached and connected from the opposite side. That means the cart could effectively move in reverse direction without rotating the entire vehicle.
एक कदम, दो कदम और तीन कदम, ये सिर्फ 10 फीट एक दूसरे से अलग है। इसमें सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि अगर आपको खाद लाना है या आपको यहाँ की जो सुपारियां हैं जब तैयार हो जाती हैं तो उसको रख के घर ले जाना है, तो यहाँ पे जो बैलगाड़ी है वो घूम नहीं सकती क्योंकि जगह बहुत कम है, सिर्फ 10 फीट की जगह है। तो मिस्टर कल्पना गौंडर जो एचडी कोटे में रहते हैं, जो मैसूर के पास है, उन्होंने क्या किया कि एक ऐसी बैलगाड़ी बनाई है कि जिसको घूमने की जरूरत है ही नहीं। बैल को आप आगे से पीछे और पीछे से आगे कर सकते हैं। वो यूं कि इस चीज को जब इसको अनस्क्रू करके उसको अनस्क्रू करके पूरी चीज को आप निकाल सकते हैं और पीछे की तरफ आप बैल को बांध सकते हैं।
He also added a clever unloading system. The side planks of the cart could be opened, allowing materials to be unloaded quickly from either side. Simple, practical, useful. This is the kind of innovation that rarely appears in textbooks but directly improves people's daily lives.
और 1 क्विंटल सामान आप इसमें से डाल सकते हैं नीचे और 1 क्विंटल सामान आप वहां से ले जा सकते हैं।
What makes this story special is that the idea did not come from a high-tech laboratory. It came from observing real problems faced by real farmers. Karpana Gounder proved that innovation is not about expensive machines or fancy degrees. Sometimes all it takes is noticing a problem that everyone else ignores.